Good morning, Doctor. Doctor, chị bay lê. Good morning. Please take a seat. And what happened to you? Chị bay lê. Không ai in ta hiền thu la. Henge ichunga thenga. I have been suffering from fever since yesterday. Nimina trang tàu khan tun thleng hian kho sikin min lakin san lo reng renga. Do you have any other symptoms? Na dangte hilanayem. Yes, I also have headache and shivering. O neye kaluanain katlun bok trina. Let me check your BP first. BP can check ma support ang iyo. I'm a bit worried about it. Kalau thong de ule kani. Don't worry, there's nothing serious. Lungai reng su. Heng ma lau thonom aom lawang. Thank you so much, Doctor. What shall we do? Kalau om lu tu ke Doctor, suan engtin nge kan ti don. I'm giving you medicine, and you'll be all right in a couple of days. Damdawi ka piang chenga, chuan ni rei lo te a, I thale amayang. Thank you so much, Doctor. Anything else? Kalau om lu tu ke Doctor, hingi adang ngai la om. Yes, we have to test your blood as well. Ome itisen po kante sangai. Oh really? Is it necessary, Doctor? Oh, tak mo, Doctor. Atul kerami cucu. Yes, this better, cause you got headache and shivering as well. Oh cucu atraber, atan su ilute ana itlun boxia. Okay, if you say so, I'll do it right away. Ole, isoy chuan katingalangan ni Melo. So, you have to go to second floor at laboratory for blood test. Chuan chong ni na laboratory tisen test turin ihan kalangaya ni. Okay, no problem. Then, what shall I do over there? Ole, apoy lo, chuan enge ka han tiang kita chuan. Don't worry, go to laboratory directly, so they'll do the needful. Then you have to come back with your test result, so I'll prescribe medicine for you accordingly. Lau thong re reng su laboratory ihan kalanga ati ngai ang lau ti vekang chuan I test result nen hi lau kir le anga chumia zir chuan damdawi kalau cho don chenia. Okay, Doctor, I'll go right away. Ole Doctor, kahan kal nga lang eh. Hi, can I come in? Doctor told me to come here for blood test. Kalau lu tayang Doctorin hedat hian tisen test turin min lau tira. Okay, come in. What's your name? And give me your card. Ole, lau lu tro, tungay min. Chuan, ikat kamin lau pela. Myself, Lala. Here you are. Lala kaniya, kale, card chu. Please, sit down here and relax. I have to withdraw your blood. Kong ayin ta hian hadam takin thurole. Itisen kala kangaya. It's okay, but I'm a little bit scared. Ole, I try. Mà sẽ cả lão đều hết cả. No worries, it won't hurt you. Lúc ngay su, anh don't play name. Okay, go ahead. Ole, anh đi thật xe. Okay, done. Go back to the same doctor and give this test result. He'll take care of you. Ole, cả dấu tay. Doctor ngài kha dục lệ la. Hi test result hi dục mua nga. Alo buổi buyang xe. Thank you so much. By the way, how much am I supposed to pay? Kalom, lu tu ke? Heng po chu ni se, heng sa nge, pek ngai don. No worries, doctor will let you know what exactly you're supposed to do. Lu ngai su, doctor ini ti tu dik tak chu, alo ril ve kang che. Thank you so much for your kindness. Kalom lu tu ke, ka chu ngai ingil nei na wang hian. Hi, doctor, can I come in? Hi, doctor, kalau lu thayang em. Okay, come in and show me your blood test result. Ole, lau lu ro. Khoi mo ithisen test na chu, min han mu de. Okay, here you are, doctor. Kale, doctor. Okay, everything is fine according to the blood test result. It isn't test na atang alan dan suan. Engki ma traffic eh. Thank you so much, doctor. I'm at peace now. Kalom lu tu ke doctor, tu na suan katla muang ta huai mai. So, as I told you, I'll prescribe some medicines for you. Then you'll go directly to pharmacy at the right corner. Ole, các rìu tổ chiang khan, đam đôi hi các chuang chenga, chuan đam đôi door ding lampang kil siro ma khan, hi vakal don nia. Thank you so much. Anything else apart from that? Kalom lu tu ke, chu bak, ngai alo mem. Yes, once you have completed this course, you have to come back for checkup again. Ole, he course ye so huna. Inen tir turin hilau kalnon le angai don ani. Okay, doctor. I'll follow your instructions. Ole, doctor, itu ang suan. Kalau tiang. I hope so. Don't ever skip your medicine. Cả bé xe nè, chuan, cái đầm đồi ấy thì ngel ngại xuống chứ. I won't forget it, doctor. Các thầy ngel lawang, doctor. If you have any concern, you can reach me out anytime. Riết đủ, yang amo hinay ani chuan, yang tik huna po. Min lâu biệt bộ ren thế nia. Thanks, doctor. I'll see you next week. Kalome, doctor. Carlia, kanin hule don nia. One more thing, before you leave, try to skip non-veg as much as possible. Ikal main thil pakat lelok, salam pangkha hitam lau ram hitum don nia. Oh my god, it's a bit tough for me. What about fish, at least? Karay lal pale, avahar sa don ve. Sangha sok tal su ay thayam. Yes, you can eat fish and egg as well, and try to eat vegetable as much as you can. O sangha le arti po yay thayang, chuan thlai hring hi thei anga tam ei tum don nia. It sounds slightly better. It's a bit tough to have food without meat. Tlemin a riat anuam dewe. Satel lo hian cho hi kar satlu tuka. Only a few weeks. Take care of your health, and I wish you to get well soon. Kartlem te chi alom in en kol thala. Ilo dam le thui kadu sakache. I'll follow as per your instruction. Definitely, I'll be recovered soon. Itu min sil ang hian katianga kadam le thui don ani. Okay, go to pharmacy and show your prescription card. They'll take care of you. Ole, damdoi dora vakala ile kha hi iwa muanga an lo bui pui vek meng che. Give me a doctor prescription, please. Ko ngayon doctor le kha su min han pete le. Here you are, Kale. Okay, here you are, and you have to eat twice in a day, after food only. Okay, Kale. Chuan ni khata voi ni choi khama che ei turani o. Thank you so much. By the way, how much it's gonna be? Kalong lu tuke. Heng po chu ni se. Heng sa man nge ni ya. It's 1,500 for all. Avai hian sang khat zangaman ani e. Shall I pay by cash? Poisen ka pe theyang em. We are avoiding cash due to COVID. Would you mind? We appreciate to go with digital payment like Google Pay, Phone Pay, and card also acceptable. COVID avang hian cash lak lo ram kan dua poi ti lo chuan online GPay te Phone Pay kan du berani card po hian apek thei bokani. Wow, that's great. I don't mind to pay by card. Invati traveo card apek kapoi ti reng lawe. Thank you so much for your patience. Hido theina wangin kalom takasete. You are welcome. Keipo kalome. Pathian Zara Hospital hian kalayan en tir ngai lawa akal mang hi diktok lo deu a mei theya min lo the thiam don nia